Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a cell and immediately using the up and down arrows to move. Once done, check Scroll Lock. If enabled, arrows will scroll the sheet instead of moving cells, so turn it off. Make sure you understand the difference. Simple arrow presses move one cell, holding Control plus arrow jumps to the next filled or empty cell edge, which saves time when scanning data. Practice those first steps until movement feels natural. They form the foundation for efficient navigation. Now you expand selections and work with ranges. You press Shift with up or down to extend the active selection row by row. This is perfect for quick highlighting. Once comfortable, combine Control plus Shift plus up/down to select all the way to the next data boundary. Very useful when copying or formatting large blocks. Also, when you're inside an Excel table, arrow behavior stays consistent, making movement predictable. Make sure to release keys cleanly. Accidental extra presses can overshoot your intended range. To finish edits, type in a cell and press Enter to move down or Shift plus Enter to move up. This speeds data entry. Once your source cell is ready, select target cells and press Ctrl plus D to quickly fill down. It copies formulas and values efficiently. If you find arrows are scrolling the whole sheet instead of moving between cells, toggle Scroll Lock off. On many laptops, you use FN plus SCRLK. If issues persist, check Excel's options for extended editing and reassign any conflicting shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.